FJ, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo?
Opo, Pastor.
Broken to the window of your car. And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I'd stay. I wish I'd stay.
When we first met, I was so excited to never see you again. Kasi diba, nung nakakilala tayo, pabalik na ako ng US, kaya akala ko, hindi na tayo makikita ulit. Pero iba talaga ang plano ng Diyos. Things happen so quickly between us. Pero yung sinasabi nila, kapag alam mo, alam mo. And sa puso ko, I knew it was you.
I've always been a man with a plan. Always prepared, never one to leave it to chance. But it's all unscripted when I'm with you. It seems familiar, yet it all feels so new. All of a sudden I miss you, thinking about all of the things that we've been through. Oh no, it's not that I plan to, but I think it feels like maybe I'm falling for you. Just don't know, oh, were we ever meant to be? Suddenly, you caught me so off guard. We fell in love so
Mamaya na umiyak.
FJ, mahal, ngayon ay asawa ko na. Maraming salamat sa sakripisyo mo at pagpapapasyensya mo sa akin dahil sobrang napakakulit kong bata.
Panibagong yugto ng buhay. Ayusin ng buhay, ha?
unexpectedly. We fell in love so unexpectedly.
Ikaw lagi ang una kong iisipin. Hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang aking pipiliin. At kung ako'y mamamatay at mabubuhay muli, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko nang napakahigpit. Pakinggan mo ang tinig ko. Di mo ba pansin na ikaw at ako, tayo'y pinagtagpo.
Ikaw ang fairy tale ko, Prince Charming, my happily ever after. At alam ko marami pa tayong pagdadaanan sa buhay kasi nag-uumpisa lang tayo. But I promise to be by your side through it all and work out our differences.
Uno sa buhay natin, di ko papansinin.
Siyempre, I was skeptical at first, kind of just sumasabay lang. But we got along so well, so perfectly. Everything felt too good to be true.
Ikaw at ako, tayo'y pinagtagpo. ikaw at ako. Di
Sawa ko, this is only the beginning. Pero pipiliin kita every day in this lifetime and the next.
ikaw at ako. Di na muling magkakalayo.